You finally got your hands on that long-awaited console. But PS5 issues are keeping you from getting lost in the game. Hi, I'm Jamie. If you have PlayStation 5 glitches, I'll walk you through some quick fixes that will have you back to outsmarting your opponents in no time. One of the most common PS5 problems is a console that won't turn on or stay on, or freezes up while you're playing a game. It could be a power issue. Try these fixes. First, manually restart the console. To do this, press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. Next, disconnect the power by unplugging the power cord. But heads up, make sure your console is completely powered down before you unplug it and not just in rest mode. Unplugging it while it's in rest mode could damage your console, so be careful. Wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it back on. You can also swap in a different cord and power source. If you have rest mode turned on, your console conserves power while it does things like charge accessories and update systems. This is a handy function, but it can cause your PS5 to crash. We recommend disabling it. Here's how. In your PS5's main menu, go to Settings, then System. Select Power Saving. Set time until PS5 enters rest mode, and select Don't Put in Rest Mode within either of the options. If you're having trouble connecting to the PlayStation Network, there's a few things you can try. First, check the PlayStation Network status webpage to make sure there isn't an outage or maintenance happening. If that's not the case, check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to an Ethernet cable, plugging your PS5 directly into your router. If you're already using a wired connection, try switching out the Ethernet cable or the port on the router. You could also try turning off your router and modem for 5 minutes. Turn it back on, then restart it. Once the internet is back up and running, connect your console to Wi-Fi and try the PlayStation Network again. Nothing says game over like an error code. There are a few common ones you may come across. This one may appear when you're trying to install a new game. Here's what to do. If you're using a physical game disc, wipe it down with a microfiber cloth to remove any smudges. Then try to install the disc again. If that doesn't work, you might want to consider replacing the disc. For a digital game, delete the install and try downloading it again. If you're downloading an update in addition to the game, pause the update and finish downloading the game first. This error code may appear if there's an issue with an app on your console. If it happens while you're playing a game, delete that game and reinstall it. Having a different problem? Visit the link in the description below to explore more solutions to different PS5 issues. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more answers to your everyday tech questions.